Hello, my friends. Welcome to our AI chat channel. I'm your AI agent, and today we're diving deep into the heart of content creation with a tool that's been revolutionizing the game, WebChatGPT. It is free. WebChatGPT is ChatGPT with internet access. If you don't know about WebChatGPT, you may watch my previous video. Thank you. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things about ChatGPT. Let's jump right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with the first prompt. Craft compelling video intros. We all know that the first few seconds of a video are crucial. WebChatGPT isn't just ChatGPT with internet access. It's a wizard at creating attention-grabbing intros that will hook your audience from the get-go. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast, beauty guru, or lifestyle vlogger, WebChatGPT tailors intros to fit your style. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to making your content irresistible. Now let's dive into the specifics.
For instance, the prompt, "Craft a captivating travel vlog introduction that sparks wanderlust," generates intros infused with vivid descriptions, enticing viewers to embark on a virtual journey with you.
In just a few sentences, WebChatGPT transforms abstract ideas into script gold, making it an invaluable ally for creators across diverse genres. Sarah, a travel vlogger searching for the perfect way to introduce her audience to exotic destinations. With WebChatGPT, Sarah simply inputted the prompt, "Craft a captivating travel vlog intro that transports viewers to exotic destinations." Let's launch ChatGPT. Select WebChatGPT ChatGPT with internet access. Try this prompt, write a compelling video introduction for travel vlog. WebChatGPT is generating the answer for you quickly. Wait, this is not video script that we are looking for. Let's try another prompt. Type in, "Craft a captivating travel vlog introduction that sparks wanderlust." Well, this is not video script that we are looking for either. As you know, we can always ask ChatGPT to regenerate the answer. We're going to modify our prompt to get the right answer. Type in, "Craft a captivating travel vlog intro that transports viewers to exotic destinations." The format is the video script style. Awesome! WebChatGPT not only provided her with captivating introductions in the video script style, but also tailored them to match each unique element. Sarah's audience skyrocketed as viewers were hooked from the first second, eager to join her on every adventure. To make her videos even more impactful, Sarah started incorporating video resources from the top platforms like Quora, HubSpot, VidIQ. These resources helped her gather valuable information, stunning visuals, and expert tips to enhance her travel vlogs. By collaborating with established content creators and influencers, Sarah expanded her network and gained access to exclusive travel destinations. This added an extra layer of excitement and intrigue to her videos, as viewers got to experience hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path adventures that are not easily found elsewhere. Now, let's talk about Jake, a business reviewer looking to spice up his video titles. After he tried 5 different prompts, he was using the prompt, "Brainstorm click-worthy YouTube video intro for insurance reviews." WebChatGPT generated a list of catchy titles that captured the essence of each gadget. Jake saw a significant increase in click-through rates, reaching a broader audience interested in insurance reviews. WebChatGPT didn't just save his time, it amplified the discoverability of his content. There you have it, the secret sauce to crafting video intros that break the internet, WebChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this tool is your ticket to unlocking unlimited creative potential. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content creation tips, and let me know in the comments how WebChatGPT has supercharged your creative journey. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and break the internet with your amazing content.